Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Poly Voyager 5200. Begin by powering on the headset and pairing it with your device through Bluetooth settings, then confirm connection in the device list. Make sure the headset has a full charge before long calls and update the firmware if prompted to access bug fixes and feature improvements. Store the headset in a cool, dry place when not in use to preserve battery health. Explore the key controls and comfort settings to get the most from your Poly Voyager 5200 headset. Learn to use the multifunction button for calls and voice assistant, master volume control with its up and down buttons, and toggle mute instantly when needed. Discover wearing options and ear tips to enhance fit and noise isolation, and check for smart sensors that auto-pause audio when the headset is removed for hands-free convenience. Optimize call quality with a few simple habits that make a big difference on the Poly Voyager 5200. Position the microphone boom about 1 to 2 cm from your mouth to capture clear speech and enable noise cancellation to block ambient sounds. Regularly update headset firmware to receive audio improvements and bug fixes, and test connection before important calls to avoid interruptions. Use proper fit and quiet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.